Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best RV wash and wax is probably one of the most essential products for any RV owner looking to maintain their vehicle's pristine appearance and protect its exterior from the elements, ensuring that every road trip begins with a gleaming, showroom-ready finish that not only looks impressive but also contributes to the longevity of your RV's paint and protective coatings. Number 5. Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. Introducing our premium car wash soap, designed to create incredibly thick and clinging suds. It effectively lifts dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free finish on all your vehicles. Whether you prefer a foam cannon, a pressure washer, or the classic 2-bucket method, this soap works perfectly. Achieve a professional clean with ultimate flexibility. Our pH-balanced formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your vehicle's exterior. It won't strip wax or sealant, keeping your paint, glass, and wheels protected. Make every car wash a delight with its fun and refreshing honeydew scent. Enjoy the process while achieving professional quality results. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. Use just a small amount to create abundant foam from multiple washes, offering great value. This versatile wash solution is ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and more. It's safe for all exterior surfaces, including coated, wrapped, or clear bra finishes. What we like. This soap creates incredibly thick, clinging suds that lift dirt and grime for a scratch-free wash. It's safe on all exterior surfaces and even has a fun honeydew scent. If you're looking for a versatile wash solution that works with foam cannons or buckets and leaves your vehicle smelling great, you should consider this. What people say. This soap wash and wax is a great product that leaves your RV looking shiny and protected. It effectively removes dirt and grime without stripping away existing wax or sealant. The wash and wax formula is easy to use, creating a rich lather that rinses clean, leaving a spot-free finish. Number 4. Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. Discover the ultimate car wash experience with our premium foaming soap. It's designed to create luxurious suds for a gentle yet effective clean. Achieve a brilliant shine with its Super Suds formula. This soap is perfect for use with foam cannons, blasters, or traditional bucket washing methods. Our pH-balanced formula ensures a safe wash for your vehicle's delicate surfaces. It effectively lifts dirt and grime without stripping existing protection. Rest assured, it's safe for all your car's finishes. This includes wax, sealant, ceramic coatings, and clear coats, maintaining their integrity. Experience a spotless finish and a dazzling shine after every wash. It leaves your car looking as good as new, effortlessly. Whether you're a detailing enthusiast or just want a clean car, this is your go-to solution. Enjoy a superior clean and protection. What we like. This car wash soap is designed to produce super suds for a brilliant shine. Its pH-balanced formula is safe on wax, sealant, ceramic, and clear coat finishes. If you prioritize protecting your vehicle's delicate finishes while achieving a thorough clean, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is a great wash and wax for RVs. It leaves a nice shine on the RV. It is easy to use and apply. Number 3. Foam King Car Wash Foam Gun. Introducing the Foam King Car Foam Sprayer, your new go-to for a scratch-free wash at home. Save time and money while achieving professional results without leaving your driveway. This sprayer easily connects to all standard garden hoses, transforming your regular hose into a powerful foaming washer. It creates thick suds instantly, no extra equipment needed. Our foam gently lifts abrasive dirt without damaging your paintwork. It effortlessly cleans even the most difficult areas, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Customize your cleaning experience with 6 adjustable foam settings. Whether it's light dust or heavy grime, you can achieve the perfect clean with the ideal foam concentration. This versatile foam gun is ideal for cleaning not just cars, but also trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and even outdoor gear. Simply adjust the settings for a perfect clean on any surface. We are passionate about providing the best car cleaning products. We stand 100% behind our products and are here to ensure you are completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This foam gun connects directly to your garden hose, turning it into a foaming low-pressure washer. It offers adjustable foam concentration for the perfect clean and ensures scratch-free results. If you want a simple, effective way to create thick suds for a scratch-free wash at home without complex equipment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This soap wash and wax leaves a great shine. It effectively cleans the RV and leaves a protective wax layer. Number 2. Image Wash Wax Replacement Foamable 128 Fluid Ounces. Discover the ultimate solution for maintaining your vehicle's shine. This concentrated formula is designed to provide a protective layer that enhances gloss and repels dirt. Easily apply this powerful spray wax and protectant to cars, trucks, RVs, and boats. It works effectively on both ceramic and wax surfaces, restoring their brilliance. Enjoy a long-lasting shine that keeps your vehicle looking its best. Its protective properties help to guard against environmental contaminants. The foamable formula makes application a breeze. Simply spray it on and wipe off for a streak-free finish. Whether you have a car, truck, RV, or boat, this product is perfect for you. It's safe and effective on all your vehicles. Get great value with this 128 fluid ounces pack. It provides plenty of product to keep all your vehicles looking pristine. What we like. This product acts as a wash and a spray wax replacement, offering protection for various surfaces. It's designed for easy application, leaving a protective layer after washing. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution that cleans and adds a protective shine quickly and easily, this is ideal. What people say. This soap wash and wax leaves a great shine on my RV. The wash and wax is easy to use and provides a good protective layer. I was impressed with how well the soap lifted dirt and grime without damaging the finish. Number 1. Better Boat Premium Grade Boat Soap. Introducing our premium boat soap, designed for exceptional cleaning on all marine surfaces. It effectively removes tough grime without damaging your vessel. This versatile cleaner is safe for use on fiberglass, vinyl, aluminum, and painted surfaces. Easily remove mud, droppings, and salt residue. A little of this concentrated formula goes a long way, yielding over 100 washes. It's perfect for your watercraft and can even be used for RVs and autos. Our marine soap is non-toxic, phosphate-free, and pH-neutral. It cleans effectively without stripping wax or harming finishes, and contains 0 VOCs. Crafted with premium materials in the USA, our products are designed for exceptional quality. We aim to make boat care easier so you can enjoy more time on the water. As a family-owned American business, we are committed to providing premium boat and RV cleaning supplies. We stand behind the quality of our protectant boat wash soap. What we like. This is a premium marine concentrate cleaner that yields over 100 washes, making it incredibly economical. It's non-toxic, pH-neutral, and safe for all surfaces, including fiberglass and vinyl. If you need a powerful yet gentle cleaner for boats, RVs, or any vehicle exposed to harsh elements like salt, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It leaves a great shine and the wax helps protect the finish. The soap washes away dirt and grime effectively, and the wax provides a nice hydrophobic layer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.